have a whole bunch of the Lemon Gourmand. Y'all know I love this brand. I'm in California right now, y'all. So I'm just showing you guys a little bit of what they got going on. Chocolate rose. Oh, this one is so cute. No, this is cute. I like these a lot. Definitely getting these. Uh-huh.
It's crazy to style them.
What you think? It's cute. I'm surprised she didn't say nope. What you think? It's cute? Nope. It actually is kind of cute. If you wear it in the right place. I just tried those on.
Over here?
Yep. It's cute?
Do you think I'm cute?
Yes or no? Look at her face. You don't like it? What about this one? Put on.
Little face.
I'm gonna get these. These are so cute.
Which one?
These. When I cut my hair, it's gonna be cute. Let me get one. Fresh pair.
What would you get them?
They got the Lemon Gourmand perfumes. I always be talking about all the old styles coming back. That girl going to Puy Midi. Bro, that's crazy. She's looking at you. How so cute. Vinyl. Y'all want to get into vinyl. They got That's So Raven. They got Vanessa Hudgens. I remember her music. I really want a vinyl player. Do they got some Call It Magic on here? I really want to get a record. I think I'm gonna get this one. This is really cute. And this one is these 9 to 5. I need to try them on. I never put them on. Sorry. It's okay. Go ahead. Perfect. Bubble. What I'm doing? I'm trying it out. No, you're not. Now that's a matcha. That thing is gooey.
Is it yummy? It's good though. It's real good. Is it? Pero? Well, you can do it like down here or.
So cool. Yeah. I mean, like this right here.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Want a photo together with us? You want one together?
No, it's okay. Okay. They got salt and vinegar. Okay. haircut line. Stupid kid.
Wow.
On working towards full. Now, for safety, while we're here with us, we have Connor, Tinta, and Barani. Tigers are very solitary animals. They do prefer to live on their own, so we typically have the tigers in a few different habitats that we have here for them. Here as well. Take a look over there to the right.
Monkeys, they're just like us.
Maybe black bear?
I know. Ew, you're sniffing. Ew. That one right there, a bully.
Yeah, camel. Good job. What?
Looking at that dog. Yeah. Thank you.